Today at the medieval hunt we will try to use the javelin a bit. Well, I'm not an expert on javelin throwing, but I've thrown some, and I would like to see if I can help you with throwing javelin, maybe perhaps. I'm gonna throw some different kinds. We have a heavier one here, and then we have a smaller one that's not quite as heavy, maybe a lighter one for small games. If you want to see what I think about how these were used in hunting, you can look at the blog. To throw the javelin, you usually start with finding the balance point, like so. If it leans backward or forward, you don't have the balance point. So now you have the balance point. How you aim the point doesn't matter that much, but I think it flows better if you have it like this instead of the horizontal way. So when you have this, you have to move and throw with your whole body, like so. And you can aim with a hand if you like, but when you throw, start backwards and throw with your whole body and not from the side, because if you throw from the side too much, it will go astray. Now you have to throw quite hard. Throw hard and fast with the arm. That's when they go straight. If you don't just do it slow, it will wobble in the air and it will not go far and it will not stick to the target. Now, one thing that happens when you're out throwing spears and javelins like this is that you're gonna hit stones and stuff. So the point will look like this after a while, and that's just what happened. Because if you have a more hard point, it'll just break. So this is actually good. So what you have to do is you have to have some kind of stone or something to beat it out with, so you can just make it flat again. So something like this, so you can actually make it work again. So we'll also need a file to file off the edges here. Now notice that it doesn't have to be needle sharp, because that will only break the point also. But as long as you have a good kind of edge on the point, that is enough. Of course, you want to throw the javelin far, but it's not always that necessary to throw them far, because what it enhances your reach beyond what you can grasp. And the animal doesn't expect you to have that reach, so you don't have to kind of throw it 1 kilometer or something, because it's all about stalking the game or having the hounds chase it anyway. So about this distance you are now, that's a long spear throw. And that's probably what you should expect throwing and hitting something. So Well, now, in conclusion, after throwing some spears, we have Helena, who has thrown javelins for the first time, and Emil, who has thrown a couple of times before, and me, who has thrown a bit more time. Not that much more, but a little. So, what's your reflection on throwing spears the first time?
It's harder than you think. It's about technique, and you have to get the feel of it. You can't learn it in one session.
It's hard to describe the technique because you have to get the feel for the spear. So just get out and throw, and throw. Yeah. Emil?
Well, it's been a great day throwing javelins, and I think I have improved my techniques today. My tip to you is half a glass of wine and a nice summer's day. That will do the trick.
Well, in conclusion, my theory is don't drink 2 glasses of wines or more, because that will definitely go to your aim. But otherwise, the heavier spear, the heavier javelin, they work good close up because it goes straight, fast, and hit hard.
Jag vill avslutningstesta den.
Yeah. This one, that's a little bit lighter, goes far. It's easier to throw these ones far and actually hit something. But that's depending on what kind of hunt you will do.
Där ja!
Well, yes, that's it from this time then. The target is dead.